Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome travel banner using Canva and AI. Let's get started. We're starting with Leonardo AI. Set the model to Phoenix 1.0 and set the prompt enhance from auto to off. The style is dynamic and the image dimensions are 1 by 1. I'll paste the prompt. I put the site link and the prompt in the description section for you. Hit generate. I'm curious to see what it generates this time. The previous ones were so cute. These are cute, but if you don't like them, you can generate them as many times as you want with the 150 credits you have. Okay, I'll download 1 or 2 of these images that I've already generated. And then I'm going to jump into Canva. Upload the image. Click BG Remover. I also changed the background color so that it is not pure white, with code F0EBEB. Go to Elements, and here look for the map. Graphics, and I choose this. Increase the size. Position, layers, and send it down. Also decrease the transparency. Press T on the keyboard, and let's type pack your back. It's time to travel. I'll put it here, and I change the font to Chewy. Change the color. I will select a color from the image using the color picker. Effects and select outline. Change the color to a lighter blue. Also, adjust the thickness level. I'll increase the scale a little. Let me zoom in. I think the thickness should be reduced. That's better now. I'm selecting the text and changing it to uppercase. Also, I'm going to change the text color to a lighter blue and the outline effect color to a darker blue. If you're having fun, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you're always in the loop. I'm also planning to copy the text and then add the website and contact information. Let's say www.easyfly.com. Removing the outline effect. I'm also going to make its color a little darker. I'm going to duplicate it, place it in the other corner, and add the contact number. Really appreciate you sticking around. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you had a good time.